Our question today is brought to you by BuildOut, the best marketing tool for your brokerage. The question today is, how might commercial real estate values fluctuate over the next 2 years from the impact of rising interest rates? Well, it's a very good question because a lot of people are suggesting that rates are going to rise. Your guess is as good as mine how much, but some people are saying maybe 3 or 4 rate hikes in 2017, 3 or 4 in 18. Be interesting because we could watch this video 2 years from now and see what it really is. But it will impact values, and it's going to depend on the property type, the size. For instance, a single tenant net lease property that maybe has a flat rental rate over a long period of time will be impacted more by rising rates. So I think that asset class, single tenant net lease properties, will be impacted more than others. And but let's give an example. Let's say that you suppose that interest rates in a couple of years from now will be 2% higher, for argument, at least the mortgage rates. And let's say that cap rates are only impacted by 1% because there's great demand, the market's good, the economy's good. A 1% change on cap rate can be significant on a 45,000 square foot office building, for example, with rents of $28 a foot. A 1% cap rate change can change the value a little bit over $2 million. So interest rate increases can have a significant impact. Even on a small property, let's say a property is worth about $1.3 million, a 1% change can change the value by about $130,000, $140,000. So if you're thinking about selling a property in the next 2 to 5 years, I'd probably look at doing it right now. If you're a long-term hold and you're going to own this property 10 years or so, then it may not matter to you. One other precaution I have about interest rates, I would watch properties loans ballooning 5 years from now. We're in 2017 as I'm speaking today, so 5 years from now could be a time that you wouldn't want a lot of your property loans maturing because of the end of the cycle could be around that time. A lot of people are suggesting. If we might be of service, you're invited to reach out to us. Ask Michael Bull is brought to you by these great companies. To discover more about their benefits and services, visit creshow.com.